Raspberries, the sweet and tangy berry. Raspberries are tiny but mighty. Their vibrant color, sweet tart flavor, and health benefits make them a favorite for many people. These beautiful berries can be enjoyed fresh, frozen, or even used in a variety of dishes. Did you know that raspberries are often used in medicinal treatments because of their high antioxidant content? Scientific name, Rubus idaeus. Family, Rosaceae. Native to Europe, North America, and parts of Asia. Grown in USA, Mexico, Poland, and other temperate regions. There are several varieties of raspberries, but here are the most popular ones. 1. Red raspberries, the most common type with sweet tart flavor. 2. Black raspberries, richer flavor, slightly sweeter than red. 3. Golden raspberries, mild flavor, often used in gourmet dishes. 4. Purple raspberries, a hybrid between red and black, super sweet. Nutritional value of raspberries per 100 gram. Calories, 52 kilocalories. Carbohydrates, 11.9 gram, natural energy. Fiber, 6.5 gram, supports digestion. Vitamin C, 26.2 milligram, immunity booster. Vitamin K, 7.8 microgram, supports healthy bones. Potassium, 151 milligram, good for heart health. Water content, 85%, keeps you hydrated. Health benefits of raspberries. 1. Rich in antioxidants, helps protect your body from cell damage. 2. Supports heart health, high in fiber and potassium to promote good cardiovascular health. 3. Boosts immunity, packed with vitamin C to fight off colds and infections. 4. Good for digestion. The high fiber content aids in healthy digestion. 5. Anti-inflammatory, helps reduce inflammation in the body. 6. Promotes skin health. Antioxidants keep your skin glowing. Fun facts about raspberries. Raspberries are actually not true berries. They're considered aggregate fruits. Raspberries are part of the rose family, just like strawberries. The largest raspberry ever recorded weighed 0.91 ounces, 26 grams. Raspberry bushes can live for 10 to 15 years, producing fruit during the summer and fall. There are over 200 varieties of raspberries grown around the world. How raspberries grow. Raspberry plants grow best in cool climates, and they prefer well-drained, acidic soil. They produce small white or pink flowers, which turn into tiny red, black, or golden berries. After 2 to 3 months, the raspberries ripen and are ready to harvest. Raspberries are sensitive to heat and need regular watering to keep them fresh. Uses of raspberries. 1. Eaten fresh. Enjoy them on their own or mixed in with your breakfast. 2. Raspberry smoothies. Blend with yogurt for a refreshing treat. 3. Raspberry desserts, cakes, tarts, jams, and sorbets. 4. In salads. Add them to green salads for a burst of color and flavor. 5. Raspberry juice and syrups. Perfect for drinks or sweet toppings. Conclusion. Raspberries are delicious, healthy, and full of amazing benefits. So the next time you enjoy these tart and sweet berries, remember all the goodness they bring to your health.